because the model is that there's a lot of APIs and data sources out there that you can use. We're not going to wrap the whole internet and give it to you through SDP. We're proposing sort of a more modular approach where you can use SDP to get information, and then you can use other websites and you can combine them where they overlap. So just having the ID for the Facebook page lets you have a rich interaction with the Facebook API as well as a rich interaction with the TV stuff from SDP to make a powerful app that's more than the sum of its parts. Does that make sense? Okay. So I'm just going to step you through some of the documentation that we've got. The SDP application API document has all the technical stuff. So that's the front page, and here's just a random screenshot from inside. Basically, this is just a document that explains every API, and it explains what you can do with it. So in this case, where you see ID in little angle brackets here, that means when you call this API, you need to put the ID of a device. That's just a number, pretty much. So as the documentation explains, if you call /devices, you'll get a list of all the devices in your household. Normally there's just one, but there could be more. And you can use different HTTP verbs like get, post, put, or delete. And depending upon which HTTP action you use, it'll do something different. So for example, devices, and then the device ID, and then control playout is the API that you use to see what someone's watching. So if it's live TV, you'll get a schedule instance, and that'll have a channel, what channel they're on, information about that channel, and it'll have content, like what show they're watching. And if it's a series, if it's an episode, then the content will have a child content that is information about the series. So the thing you're watching would be an episode, and that episode also has information about the series that it's part of. On the other hand, if you do a put, you're all probably familiar with get and post. Put is a bit more obscure, but basically put is very similar to post, but it's just a matter of I'm going to